Hey folks, this video is about extraction and replacement of 4x4 posts, specifically for my trellis system. The trellis fell down, at least 3 of the posts broke off in the fall, and I replaced them a couple weeks ago. So I start for the ones that are broken off by digging a little bit of a hole around them. They seem to rot off to just below grass level, but the piece underneath is still relatively sound. So start by drilling a hole that is just smaller than the eye bolt that I'm twisting in here. So that's a 3/8 eye bolt. And wind it in then with a socket extension. You can use anything, even a screwdriver would be fine. This is sandy soil here, so it's kind of easy to do. I recognize that. Rocky soil, maybe you got too much falling back in to do it by this method, but if you got a clay base, it should also hold it in place, and this method will probably still work as well. So once the eye bolt's in, I have slung a chain around a 2x4 and then connect it with a bolt to create the loop, put the 2x4 through, and then use an S-hook to attach to the eye bolt and get to the end of the 8-foot 2x4 and lift up. And you can see the block on the left. Then you have a chance to re-index it or put something underneath the back of the 2x4 to do your next pull. And you can see here that it falls back in a little bit, so it's definitely pulled free. And you just pull it out by hand. Kind of awkward to do without getting a hold of the top of it through the use of an eye bolt. So here, what I decided to do was to mark where I thought the top of the hole should be at the top of the grass level. So that when I drop it in, you know that I got it in far enough. I'm using a hand plane here to chamfer the ends, so to reduce the knife effect, so it doesn't pull sand in it down into the hole as it's being dropped in place. My wife's shooting this video on her cell phone. It didn't turn out too bad. So after you get it chamfered, you can then just find the center of the hole, get it started well, and then what I did is just drop it in place. I did go above it afterwards with a maul and tap it down maybe another 1/2 inch. So that's a completed job. Here's the trellis. It has 2x4s on the top in order that when it's pulled together with the tension of the wires, it's basically self-supporting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video makes whatever job you have ahead dealing with extraction of 4x4s a little bit easier. Bye for now.